Selling your product on popular websites can significantly boost your visibility and sales. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Choose the right platforms. Select e-commerce websites that align with your product and target audience. Some popular options include Amazon, great for almost any physical product. eBay, ideal for unique, used, or collectible items. Etsy, best for handmade, vintage, or craft products. Walmart Marketplace, good for competing with big retailers. Shopify, your own store. Sell independently with Shopify and promote via social media. Facebook Marketplace, Instagram. Shopping, good for local and social commerce. Create a seller account, sign up as a seller on your chosen platform. Provide necessary business details, tax ID, bank info, etc. Choose between individual low volume or professional high volume selling plans on Amazon, eBay. Optimize your product listing. High quality images. Use multiple clear high-res photos. White background, preferred keyword-rich title. Include brand, model, key features, example. Wireless Bluetooth headphones. 50-hour battery. Noise cancelling. Detailed description. Highlight benefits, specs, and usage. Competitive pricing. Research similar products and price competitively. SEO and back-end keywords. Use relevant search terms to improve visibility. Handle logistics fulfillment options. FBA fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon stores, packs, and ships for you. Self-fulfillment. Ship orders yourself. Better for small businesses. Drop shipping supplier ships directly to customers. Lower profit margins. Shipping rates. Offer free shipping if possible. Increases conversions 5. Promote your product Amazon, PPC, eBay. Promoted listings. Run ads to boost visibility. Social media marketing, share on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Pinterest. Discounts and deals. Run limited time offers or bundle deals. Influencer collaborations. Partner with micro-influencers for reviews. Manage reviews and customer service. Encourage buyers to leave reviews, but avoid incentivizing. Respond promptly to customer questions and complaints. Handle returns professionally to maintain good ratings. Scale up, expand to multiple marketplaces, example. Amazon plus Walmart plus Shopify. Use analytics to track sales and adjust strategies. Consider private labeling or product variations for more SKUs.